Happy Monday. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and I just got an Apostille service request form, and so let's do it together. This service request form, meaning that they want a quote, came in at 9:30 a.m. I'm going to show you that right now, and then we'll go through this form and we'll send her a quote. Okay, so here is the information, and I will remove this sticky tag once we scroll down so you don't see my customers' sensitive information. But as you can see, this came in at 9:30 a.m. 30 minutes ago. I'm a little late on getting this. I like to get my quotes out quicker than that, but I was in a meeting and just got out, and so we're going to go ahead and do her quote right now. They are going to drop their documents off right here in our Prosper, Texas location. All right, how many documents does she need, Apostille? She's indicated 2. The document type, she's indicated other and a power of attorney. I don't know what the other is yet. I'm assuming it's a vital record according to her next couple of questions. Have these documents been notarized or certified? She put yes and not sure. So again, I'm already assuming one of these is a vital record. Do I need a notary first? No. So one of them is already notarized according to these questions here. But again, I'll confirm that when I send her the quote and call her. Which country will your document be used in or embassy? Indicated Germany. Then in this quote form, how she's going to pick up these documents, she's going to pick them up at our Prosper location in Texas. Certified copies for your records. If you want extra copies, yes, I'd like certified copies for my records. So again, guys, this is where I talk to you about upselling and stacking your services. Had I not said this, she probably would not have ordered extra certified copies. So I just made an additional $50 just by putting this in my quote form. Expedited service upgrade. Need your documents ASAP. Yes, she'd like them expedited processing. Okay, again, upsell, letting her know that I can get this faster than the 2 or 3 days, or actually 4 days, which is standard. I can get it even faster than that. Of course, that's an upcharge. Then need international shipping. Yes, please ship to my documents directly to the destination country. Yes, absolutely, I could do that. Obviously, I'm going to charge her the shipping fee, but it is a courtesy that I do instead of shipping it or giving it to her. Although it is contradiction. She says she's going to pick them up from me in Prosper, but this one she says she wants me to drop them off at the destination country. So we'll have to clarify that. We'll provide the quote, and then let's see, what else did she put? And then these are just my disclaimers that she understands I am not an attorney. I am not responsible for any delays in shipping, so on and so forth. So let's get this quote started. In order to create this invoice for this client, I'm going to go to my dashboard where it says getting paid, and then I'm going to click at where it says price quotes. This is going to allow me to create a price quote for the client and also invoice them at the same time. I'm going to click new quote. And here's where I'm just going to enter the customer's information and go ahead and price out according to what they put in the form. And then I will send this via email and text, and then I'll give her a phone call to let her know her quote is ready. Should she accept, she can go ahead and drop her documents off or mail them in. So friends, I am not going to end up sending this quote out after I did that whole video, because I just got notification that she went ahead and booked and she's going to be here in 15 minutes. So clearly she's already prepared and ready to go, but I will update y'all after she shows up with what was required, what she needed, and everything about it, and how much I charged her and all the good stuff. Talk to you soon. And here's that booking appointment. It's currently 10:15. She booked this at 10:30. Literally just as I was making this video. So I'll let you guys know how it turns out. She paid my standard $375 fee, and so anything extra I'll let you guys know, and I'll let her know as well. See y'all in a minute. Okay, so this appointment is finished. The customer came in with 2 different documents for Apostille, both power of attorneys going to Germany, and they have already been notarized by another Texas notary a few days ago, so I'm not having to notarize them. I'm just literally processing them. She did request that these be shipped directly out to Germany. So what I'm doing now is I print the FedEx label so my courier can ship it straight to Germany. I am printing out the Texas Secretary of State Apostille application form, and then I am going to send all of this to my courier so that we can get this done for her. She is needing to move some property around for her family members out in Germany. The total cost for this, I actually haven't invoiced her the additional fees, was the $375 that you guys saw in the first part of this video, plus the additional apostille. I'm only charging her $60, and then the cost of the FedEx label to Germany, which was $77. So I mean, that's just her fee. She could have went and got her own label, but it's something I'm doing for her, one less step. And so that's it, that's all, and I hope that this brought some clarity. Let me know in the comments if you have questions. If you want to learn more about Apostille, I'm teaching Apostille and Apostille Profit Blueprint at the Empower Notary Summit September 2021 in Dallas, Texas. All you gotta do is comment ticket or Empower. Either one of those gets the link sent straight to your DM. If you want to talk about the class or the course, just go in my link in bio. I'll see y'all at the next one. Happy stamping.